This is a look at the fire that's raging in the 2300 block of Austin Highway. It was called in a few minutes before 6. It is now 7:25. There are still 33 fire units on scene. As you can see, they've got a lot of extra manpower here because they are rotating crews. This firefight has been so extensive and so aggressive for so long. They've got people ready to go back inside. You can see this fire is wind driven. Look at the embers going toward the rest of the buildings here. Wind driven. They've got water coming in from the top, water coming in from the bottom. This is a very aggressive firefight, but the wind is a blast furnace. This building is so compromised. The wind is coming from the north and it's pushing the flames, it's pushing the embers onto buildings next door. So we're going to continue to watch this one. It is a vicious battle here. Sue Kelberg, KENS 5.